Able Auctions will be hosting a live online farm equipment auction. There's lots of good stuff at this place. Here's a beautiful fire pump with all its hoses. Here's a nice BE irrigation pump. It's got the sprinkler, mobile sprinkler heads, hoses, everything you need to start irrigation. Nice little bow mag tamper, wheel balancer, big jack stands, this beautiful Miller synchro wave welder, a nice forklift man basket with the tool attachment on the side, oil drain with ramps, commercial sprayer, liquid storage tank. They've even got farm pens, chains, reel mower. Here's a nice forklifting dock ramp. Even a trike if you need one. Lots of fencing, roll fencing, irrigation piping, parts bins, tools, children's yard toys, nets, sports equipment, wagon wheels. There's even commercial restaurant equipment. Here's some nice Natuzzi chairs. Look at that cool lifeguard chair. Sorry, the cat's not included. She's a good mouser though. Got this snap-on mechanic toolbox. Here's a nice boat, quads, pressure washing equipment, restaurant tables, nice big barbecue, tidy tanks. There's that net I was talking about. There's more big soccer nets in this auction. Back in this building, we've got lots of coolers. Look at that big cooler. Nice Generac switch there. The keg egg barbecue. Some spare tires. And if we go into this other building, we've got tons of hand tools. Mac Daddy Caddy. Gloves. TVs. Like a Dyson hot and cold fan. Another Dyson fan. Oh, the Dyson hairdryer. Fishing equipment. It's also lots of lawn tractors. A little mini excavator. Lots of yard equipment still. Most of this only like 4 hours worth of use on a lot of it. A little bit of antique furniture. Lots of farm equipment. Got all these troughs here. More feeders over there. This really nice 2,000-pound pneumatic dolly. Golf equipment. I'll take a quick walk over to the mowers. This pop-up canopy. There's the nice Jacobson reel mower right there. Got a Husqvarna ride-on mower, fork extensions. John Deere reel mower. There's the little mini excavator. Runs good. It's got a cleaning bucket, grader blade on it. It's a John Deere tractor with a 430 bucket in front. Pop-up canopies with the corrals. Everything you're gonna need, even an old farm trailer if you need it. So make sure you check out Able Auctions online. It's ableauctions.ca. Get registered. Be all ready to bid. Hope to see you there.